In this video, I will be showing you how to fix too many requests in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I have ChatGPT open in my Google Chrome browser, but I'm encountering a connection issue. To fix this, I'll navigate to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down options, I'll hover over Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. This will open a new tab showing all my installed extensions. I'll go ahead and remove this VPN extension by clicking the Remove button next to it. Once the extension is removed, I'll close the Extensions tab and return to the ChatGPT tab. Next, I'll go back to the browser menu by clicking the three vertical dots again. This time, I'll hover over History and click on Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up window will appear allowing me to clear my browsing history, cookies, and cached files. I'll make sure the time range is set to all time and then click the Delete Data button at the bottom right. After clearing the data, I'll navigate to the Settings menu on the left side of the screen and click on Privacy and Security. From here, I'll click on Third-Party Cookies and scroll down to select See All Site Data and Permissions. I can see a list of websites with stored data. I'll click the Delete All Data button at the top right and confirm the action by clicking Delete in the pop-up. Now, I'll open a new tab and search for OpenAI status to check if there are any ongoing issues with the service. I'll click on the first link, which takes me to the official status page. The status page indicates that the systems are fully operational, with high uptime across all services including ChatGPT, APIs, and labs. Since the servers are up, I'll close the Status tab and try opening an incognito window to see if that resolves the issue. I'll click the three vertical dots in the top right corner again and select New Incognito Window. In the search bar, I'll type ChatGPT and press Enter. I'll click on the official link to open the website. Once the page loads, I'll click the Login button in the top right corner. This opens the sign-in page where I can enter my email address and click Next. Finally, I'll enter my password and click Next to access my account. The page redirects, and I'm successfully logged into ChatGPT, ready to start a new chat. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.